Hello guys, so good morning once again. Welcome to our channel. So dito sa video natin, simple voice recognition system using C# ay nag-request po si Sir Solrak Naval na pwede daw gawan siya ng pop-up notification message with specific time na gusto mo at with speech voice, sabi niya. So actually, nagawa na natin yung simple voice recognition system. So yung video, based dun sa request niya, gagawin natin. Pero let's just focus only dito sa pop-up notification message sa specific time. So let's start. So dito, gumawa tayo gamit ang C#. So naglagay tayo ng dalawang label. So label 1, pangalan niya, time. Tapos label 1, eto, wala, hindi natin lagyan pala ng pangalan. Tapos gumawa tayo ng label 2, that is the time. And nag-insert tayo ng isang timer dito. And then we set the enable properties into true. And then of course, yung interval po niya is 1,000, that is equivalent to 1 second. Now, dun sa pop-up notification natin, kailangan i-download muna natin yung Nugget package. So, paano natin gagawin yan? So, dito sa system natin, naka-install na siya. So, how are we going to install it? So, right-click dito sa My Project. Then, go to Manage Nugget Packages. And then, type lang po natin, go to Browse, then type Notification Window. And then, automatic, maglo-load po yan. So, ito po siya. So, Toolpep notification window. Ito po yung gagamitin natin. So, just click it. And then, since ito naka-install na, so makikita natin dito uninstall. Pero, pag wala pa, you just install it. Then, you are ready to go. Then, once na naka-install, go to your project now. Okay, let's go to the codes. Ayan. Alright, so, import po natin to dun sa library using Toolpep notification window. And then, under dun sa form load, yung timer 1 natin, we just set the default name, that is timer 1. So, let's just start it. And then, dun sa label 1.text, eto po yun. Ito. Yan. So, tatawagin natin yung date time dun ng system date time natin. Yan. Pero let's focus only for our time. So dito, hour, minute, second, and of course, kung ano siya, AM or PM. So, ang system date na meron tayo ngayon sa time natin is 8:57 AM. So, under timer 1.tick, double-click po natin siya. Yan. And then, let's insert this code. Ayan. So, label 1.text, date time now.toString. Ayan, so the same with this one. And then, of course, if label 1.text at equal, so magsaset tayo dito kung ano yung time na isaset natin. So, dahil 8:48 na to, so hindi na siya mag-notify. So, kukunin natin mamaya ito yung system time po natin. And then, yung LC po niya, another, kung kailan siya magpa-pop up. So, this time, naglagay tayo ng dalawang notification. Pop up with just only a span of 30 seconds. So, 58 po yan. And then, let's just change this one. So, shall we say 50 or 60 or 59. Okay. And then, dun sa notification natin, gumawa tayo ng simple subroutine dito. Or method. And then, pop-up notifier, we just name it pop-up as new pop-up notifier. You can also add pop-up image, just import image here, go to your project, and then on its properties, so where is the properties? And then, you can go here in your settings, you can import, resources, sorry. Then you can import image here. So we're not going to display it here. We're not going to show it. Pero kung gusto nyo lang tawagan yung pangalan ng image dito, kung gusto nyo yung pop-up niya, meron siyang message. And then yung title niya, lalagyan lang natin siya time check. And then yung content niya sa baba, the time now is, yan, date time that now to string. So, ayan po. So, ito yung date na ipapakita niya. And then, let's just call the pop-up. So, pag na-detect niya yung oras, tatawagin lang po niya to. And then, the same true with this one. Now, let's try to run it. So, the time is 8:59. So, we're just going to change this now into 8. Shall we say, okay, we're just going to leave it for a while. Just wait for a minute. Okay, so it's already 9. So let's just change it. 9:01. Okay, 9:01. And then let's try to run. Execute the program. So here we go. So this is the time. So, pag na-reach po niya yung oras na 9:01 millisecond, second po niya is 9:01 dito, meron po tayong makikita ang pop-up po dito. And then, meron po silang time differential na nilagay na 30 seconds para mag-pop up ulit. So, bali dalawang beses siya mag-pop up. It's up to you now kung dadagdagan nyo pa ng ibang time check para sa pop-up nyo. Ayan. So, antayin lang po natin. Ito po ay request ni Sir Solrak Naval. Ayan. So, para po sa kanyang project. So, ito, 9:01. So, meron siyang unang pop-up. Ayan po. Ito yung time check. And time now. Ito po yan. Kung gusto nyo lagyan ng image po dyan, you can do it. Ito, just change here. Just set the properties. So, nilagay na lang po natin so that you can change. And within the range of time difference 30 seconds, so, another pop-up po yung magpapakita. Ayan po. Ayan. So, ayan na naman po yung ikalawang pop-up po niya. So, ganun lang po siya kadali kung paano gawin yung pop-up notification message na gusto nating ilagay dun sa program po natin. So, salamat Sir Solrak Naval sa yung request. So, this video ay para rin sa mga gustong mag-aral ng C# programming. So, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe, please comment. You can suggest kung ano po yung mga program na gusto nyo pong ipagawa at gawin po natin. So, happy watching sa ating lahat.